Okay, so I'm Tom Ryan from Ryelec Automation. We provide smart home solutions for builders, architects and interior designers. We started off as electricians around 7 years ago. We moved into the smart home space, and this is our factory here where we build all of our products, program everything, and this is where we do all our design and quotes as well. The integration between Fergus and Groundplan has been a game changer for us. Even when we had Fergus and Groundplan previously, it was still a bit of a manual process. I still had to mark up in Groundplan and then manually map it over to Fergus. Now I literally click a button, it pulls in all of our favourites from Fergus and just creates the quote automatically. The challenges we had before using Fergus was everything was manual. We couldn't keep track of our guys' labour, we couldn't keep track of our quotes, we couldn't keep track of what we estimated, and we really needed a software to just keep it all in one spot. Favourite features are definitely the dashboard, where we can have a really good overview of everything that's happening at once. The scheduling and the calendar is great, and just being able to send revised quotes based on previous quotes and managing variations. Before using Groundplan, basically we were doing everything manually to start with on paper, and then I was trying to look at the numbers that I'd produced here and map them over to a quote in our software. The biggest challenge, I guess, was getting the correct quantities from my markup over to our software and making sure that was coming through properly. And there was quite a few times where we actually missed quantities, missed whole products. And then that's when we found Groundplan and realised that it was really powerful, really easy to use, really easy for other people in the office to use, and it had the added benefit of the integration into our project management software. It was really easy to get started with the integration. Basically I marked up in Groundplan and clicked a button and went over to Fergus, and my quote was just there. The takeoff process before took on average about half a day. Now I think I've got it down to about an hour and a half. Definitely seen an improvement in accuracy, especially because when I used to manually push everything across, I'd forget things and I'd miss things. Now everything's a tool and it just pushes straight through. It's almost impossible to miss things now. The integration has definitely helped us with scaling our business, as now I can get a lot more accurate quotes out in a much faster time frame. And the detail that we're getting to the installers on site is a lot more accurate, which means the jobs are flowing a lot quicker and a lot more efficiently. I would say to anyone who's still doing manual takeoffs that they need to really get up with technology and find something like this Groundplan and Fergus integration, because it's an absolute game changer.